Good morning, students. I Ramesh Mishra, your language teacher. Start your first lesson, the nouns. First, I will tell you the definition of the noun. After that, we will discuss its kinds. So, first we will consider that what is nouns. A noun is a word used to identify any of a class of people, place, or things. Other definition, we can say a noun is the name of a person, place, or things. In fact, we can say noun is the name of anything we can think, we can watch, we can realize. Some example of nouns as honesty, pleasure, beauty, places name, Mugrabad Shahpur, Allahabad, Jaunpur, things name, pen, watch, chair, table, etc. So, there are five kinds of noun. First, we will discuss proper noun. You should know that proper noun begins with a capital letter always. You see in these sentences, as when we say Geeta was born on Sunday, it means here Geeta is name of girl. Girl is common noun and Geeta is proper noun. You think that why Geeta is proper noun? Geeta is proper noun because Geeta is name of a special girl. When we say girl, it means any one. But when we say Geeta, it means the girl whose name is Geeta. And like that, Sunday is also proper noun. Because day is common noun, but if we say a particular day, that is Sunday, it means Sunday is proper noun. And second example, Delhi stands on the bank of the Yamuna. Here, name of a city. There are many cities, but if we give the name Delhi, it means a special kinds of city. We mention here Delhi. So Delhi is proper noun, and here Yamuna. Yamuna is also proper noun because there are many rivers, but we tell about some special river which name is Yamuna. So Yamuna is proper noun. So you should always remember that proper noun always begin with a capital letter. After proper noun, we will discuss common noun. Common noun is the name given in common to any and every person or thing of the same kind or class. For example, if we say river, if we say man, if we say girl, if we say boy, it means any river, any boy, any girl. So these words are in common noun. So common noun, other examples of common noun, dog. If we say goat, these are common noun because it denotes any dog, any goat, any man, any girl, but when we give the name, that will becomes proper noun. After that, we will discuss about collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a group or collection of things or person of the same kind taken together and described as a whole. For example, when we say flock, it means group of sheep. When we say herd, it means group of cattle. When we say bunch, it means collection of keys. When we say class, it means a group of students. So जैसे हमने क्लास कहा तो इसमें बच्चों का पूरा ग्रुप आ जाता है, कई बच्चे इसमें सम्मिलित होते हैं. जैसे हमने कहा टीम वर्ड मैंने कहा तो टीम में देर आर 11 प्लेयर्स, या टीम में 5 प्लेयर्स, या टीम में ग्रुप ऑफ मेंबर्स होते हैं, कई होते हैं। जैसे मैंने क्राउड कहा, इट मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, कई लोगों के समूह को हम, तो जहाँ पर हमें एक समूह की जानकारी किसी वर्ड से होती है वो कलेक्टिव नाउन में आता है। आफ्टर दैट विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट मटेरियल नाउन, फोर्थ कैटेगरी। मटेरियल नाउन is the name of a matter. Material word derived from matter and of which things are made. जिससे हम कोई सामान बनाते हैं उसे हम मटेरियल कहते हैं। जैसे हमने एक सेंटेंस, फॉर एग्जांपल आप देखिए, टेबल इज़ मेड ऑफ वुड। हियर वुड इज़ मटेरियल। ये वुड से टेबल बनाई जाती है और वुड यहाँ पर मटेरियल है और जिससे टेबल बनती है। सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, पिक्चर इज़ मेड ऑफ क्ले। यहाँ क्ले जो है मिट्टी, पिक्चर घड़ा जो है वो मिट्टी से बनता है। तो सो हियर क्ले इज मैटर, सो क्ले कम्स इन मटेरियल नाउन कैटेगरी। ए कोट इज मेड ऑफ क्लॉथ, हियर कोट इज ऑल्सो common noun and cloth is material noun. From cloth we can make coat. So these are material nouns. And other example, ring is made of gold. Here gold is material noun and ring is common noun. After that we will discuss the fifth kinds of noun, abstract noun. An abstract noun represents the words that express some feeling, a quality, a action or state. An abstract noun we can only felt or thought of it. It cannot be seen or touched because it has no form, shape, size, weight or color. Some examples of abstract noun as childhood, boyhood, youth, poverty. It is the state. It is kind of state. And when we say about action and flight, these words are also abstract noun. And if we say quality, honesty, bravery, beauty, mercy, these are abstract noun. And feeling, if we say joy, grief, sorrow, fear, these words are also comes in abstract noun. So abstract noun have no shape, no size, no weight, no color. It cannot be seen or touched. So today I have discussed noun and its definition, kinds of noun. In parts of speech, there are 8 parts of speech. Start with noun. After noun, we will read about pronoun. And now some exercises given in your book. You will do them in page number 7. As first exercise, classify the noun in the following sentence. Iron is the most useful metal. Here metal is common noun and iron is material noun. A bunch of keys is lying on the table. Here bunch is collective noun, table is common noun. Like the same, some other exercises has been given to you. You have to read your books, first chapter, noun and its kinds. After that, you will do your exercise. I hope from this audio you have learned about many things about noun and its kinds. Today I will finish this chapter here, and now hope that all of you will do the exercise of the first chapter. Thank you very much.